That wheel is completely destroyed. There's the R32.
Bounce off the top a little bit. Oh, it's not header. So all the cars we looked at last time, we didn't buy a single one of them.
Yeah, they went way too high. Today the main one I'm looking at is the Subaru STI.
I'm glad you said that. I'm not a fan of the R32. I'm really glad you said that.
I'm a fan of all of them because of the low mileage, but this STI has like 57,000 and it looks like it's small hit, but that's why we're here in person to check it out.
Yeah. I mean, obviously both cars are nice, but when it comes down to them two, I'm more, I like the STI much more. I really do. It's here on the passenger side sway.
There.
Oh, there it is. There's the R32.
I think it starts.
Alright, let's grab the jump pack. Not gonna lie, this paint looks really nice in person.
The wheels, I like them. What are your thoughts on the wheels?
I like it. Based on the pictures too, they were nice.
Yeah.
The rear end is perfect. Now I did notice in the pictures that the exhaust is missing. Interior is pretty clean. Yeah, this is the main reason I'm looking at this car. If you guys don't know, these R32s are super rare. 1 of 5,000. They only come in automatic, unfortunately, but it does have these paddle shifters. But I mean, 47,000 miles, I can't pass up on this one. All right, yeah, it looks pretty clean under here. Nick, you wanted to check the dipstick? Oh, this looks like an aftermarket radio. Tire pressure light is on, and seat belt. Nothing major here. Window is smashed. Luckily they taped it up, no flooding here.
The headlights are real nice. Wheels are really nice.
The paint too, look at it, like OZ racing wheels. Oh, this one's severely curved. You definitely can't drive on this.
This wheel?
Yeah, look at it.
Look at what we're dealing with here.
Maybe there's something in the trunk.
Oh yeah.
So the main damage here is the rear quarter panel and the door and fender. That's it. Like, this wheel's good. Even the hinges, like where they bolt up, it seems fine to me. This is a super clean car. And the bumper survived this. Wow. Coolant level is good. Wow, I definitely want this one. Right now the bid is like $1,500. We'll see what it goes up to. Throttle just to hear what this thing sounds like. It's all warmed up now.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Like that.
Not bad. All right, I think I'm definitely bidding on this one. 47,000 miles. All we need is a door, front fender, and the rear quarter panel to be repaired.
This thing is serious. It's got DSG on the shifter.
Let me sit down. Oh, do you see this fender?
No, that's nothing. I didn't even mention that.
this thing. Let's check out the STI. Hopefully it's just as good.
Okay.
Honestly, these cars sell so cheap, I might pick up both. Oh, look at this. I think he had aftermarket side skirts that are removed. This guy took his side skirts and exhaust off. Not cool. Not cool. All right, what do you guys think about this? Do you like R32s? 47,000 miles. Come on, I can't pass up on this.
It's got DSG on the shifter. You need to get it.
Oh yeah, the mirror's broken off too. Last look at the front. Wow. All right, let's hop back in the car and check out the STI and Mustang.
It's gonna be about 10 minutes.
Uh-oh, we're gonna hit this axle?
Nope. Is that it?
Oh yeah, there it is.
I don't know if it starts or not.
Wow. This thing is so clean. It looked bone stock on the website. These factory BBS wheels. And it is the Hawkeye, my favorite model. This is a 06.
So far, I like what I see.
No damage in the back or side. This looks like an aftermarket exhaust system. MagnaFlow. Okay.
Brembo brakes.
Factory Brembos. Rally Armor mud flaps. Okay, the main hit. The subframe looks to be good.
I don't know. Let's see.
I mean, based on this hit, there's some suspension damage without a doubt. Hood's gonna need repairing. Might even replace it. Look at it, it's pretty beat up all the way up here.
The fender?
The hood.
Oh, yeah.
Um,
No, fender, you could keep this hood for sure.
Bumper for sure.
Huh?
Put a Band-Aid on it.
Wow, it's clean. All right, I'm gonna pop the hood, see what's going on under there.
Yo, shove the camera underneath so you can see what suspension parts you need to buy.
Pop the hood, see what's under there. I love it. It's a straight up race car.
Yo, there's no motor. Nah, that thing's fine. It's just a little.
But the main concern for me was this shock tower, which looks mint, right?
Shock tower's good, yeah.
Shock tower's good. Oh, go fast bits blow off valve. Stock intake, that's a good sign.
Is there anything modded on it besides?
It has a MagnaFlow exhaust, Rally Armor mud flaps, and that's about it. This core support will need some work.
Bring the toolbox?
Is this the fuse box? Yeah, I never had a Subaru.
First time.
And look, everything's perfect under here. 57,000 miles.
I'm gonna have to get a dog and become a lesbian.
Oh, what do we have here? Subaru Performance Tuning heat shield for the turbo.
For this.
All right, looks clean, half level. Let me start this thing up. I hope it has headers.
Oh, it's got headers. I'll tell you.
57,000 miles. Airbag light is on for some reason, but no check engine. It definitely has unequal length headers. Can you pop the trunk?
There's nothing equal about this.
Wow. Nothing crazy back here.
Can you give us some gas?
Let it warm up a little bit. This thing is so clean.
I'm gonna give it like 500 RPM. 5?
Yeah, give it a little bit.
Listen to this. I already did. I heard it. Listen to this. This is 500 RPM. 500 RPM.
I'm happy. 2 super clean cars today.
I want to hear it though. Let me hear it from back here.
All right.
Bounce off the top a little bit. I didn't hear the pop that I heard.
All right, so I was looking at the regular GT that's Pro Charge, but I stumbled upon this GT 350.
Nico Brothers just had it.
All right, let's go look at the Pro Charge Mustang and get out of here.
Hold up. I think this is the one. I think this might be it.
It's over 350.
Wow.
You hearing that?
Check out these bucket seats.
I mean, they're nice, but.
All right.
BB020. So this is what we're driving to look at right now.
Wait,
Eddie X
let me
just
show it up.
uploaded.
Pro Charge Mustang GT. I might get both the STI and the R32. Like, they're too perfect.
You definitely can.
Clean titles and both less than 60,000 miles. Come on.
Right.
This is gonna make up for the
it's gonna
eight
make-
times I missed the cars.
It's
you
gonna
know?
make for the entire summer of missing cars because they go for too much.
It should be over here somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, Mustang.
Is that it?
Oh, there it is. There it is. This is the Pro Charge Mustang. Look at it. No frame damage.
What's that? 3 intercoolers?
No frame damage. All right, let's try to not get flooded here.
Just walk on the over there.
These shoes
Wait,
and all this is not nice.
all right. You go.
Are you kidding me? Look
Come
at
on.
my shoes.
Oh. All right. Missing door panel. Oh. Oh, the door panel is here. Both headlights are here.
Power?
Yeah, it has some power.
I think, whoa, those are crazy gauges right there. So we see a missing door panel.
No, it's in the trunk. No power. All right.
It's probably the kill switch.
Yeah, it's like a full-blown race car. There might be some kill switch.
There's definitely a kill switch. What a shame. How much do you think this will sell for?
No idea. Maybe like 10, 12.
Pro charged.
Whoa. Heavy flooding going on.
Go ahead, do it. Walk it.
All right, you go first.
I'm not walking there on these. I'll go right after you.
So unfortunately, this slightly damaged Mustang, too many airbags deployed and it's not starting. I won't be bidding on this one, but I'll throw the listing up here, take a look. If you guys are interested, maybe you'll pick it up. That's it for today. The auction's tomorrow, and maybe I'll pick up both the R32 and the STI, who knows?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, the green one?
Yeah, we probably can't get out there, right?
No.
Yeah, that's fine. They can tell, right? From experience, I know they put the future ones up here,
Yeah.
right?
That's been sitting there since it's been there.
Because every time I try to sneak look at a future car, right, it's always parked over there. Oh, you think they took the packages out of here? Ooh, here
Whoa.
we go.
Now we're
There we
talking.
go. Can we go off of this one?
Yeah, just don't touch it.
Of course, yeah, I won't touch it.
Way too trashed.
I know it's kind of trash, but it was definitely cleaner in the pictures.
It looks like it's wrapped,
It
right?
definitely is.
That wheel is completely destroyed.
So this one is a future sale, so we can't even touch it. But let's take a
Oh,
look at
not
what we got
good.
here.
Someone ripped the gas cap off.
I mean, it's definitely a sick car.
It's raining inside it.
So
Wow.
I mean, think about this compared to like Goonzquad's car.